Deforestation is when trees are cut down in large numbers in forests, leading to the clearing of land. This happens for various reasons, such as agriculture, logging, and urbanization. When trees are removed, it disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Trees play a crucial role in maintaining the environment by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen, which is vital for human and animal life. One major cause of deforestation is agriculture. Farmers clear forests to make way for crops or livestock grazing. While this provides food and income for people, it also destroys the habitat of many species and contributes to climate change. Logging is another significant contributor to deforestation. Trees are cut down for timber, paper, and other wood products. While this industry is important for the economy, it can lead to irreversible damage to forests and biodiversity. Urbanization also drives deforestation as cities expand. More land is needed for buildings, roads, and infrastructure. This results in the destruction of forests to accommodate growing populations and industries. Additionally, mining activities often require the clearing of forests to access mineral resources underground. The consequences of deforestation are far-reaching. It leads to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, disruption of water cycles, and increased greenhouse gas emissions. Without trees, the soil becomes less fertile, making it difficult for plants to grow. This affects not only the natural environment, but also the livelihoods of people who depend on forests for food, shelter, and resources. To combat deforestation, it is essential to promote sustainable practices such as reforestation, agroforestry, and conservation efforts. Planting trees, protecting natural habitats, and implementing laws and regulations to prevent illegal logging are crucial steps towards preserving our forests for future generations. Thank you for tuning in and staying connected with Academic English.